Hey, Bill here with Chacote Outdoor Recreation. So, I'm out here today with the 22 long rifle and the 12 gauge, and we're going to be shooting up some soda bottles from the dollar store. You're going to hear a lot of talk about whether 22 long rifle or 12 gauge is the way to go in a survival situation for putting meat on the table. I made that decision a long time ago. For me, it's the 12 gauge with number 6 shot. That's what I like. That's always put meat on the table for me. It's never let me down. 12 gauge with number 6 shot, and that's the last time I'll speak on that. But I will tell you this: if you're hungry and you're tired, if you think your marksmanship improves, you're out of your mind. Especially if you've just gone through some kind of horrible apocalypse or something. If you think you're going to get better as a marksman, that's a little crazy. That's my theory on that. But anyway, more fun. We're going to be shooting some water bottles today, or not water bottles, but soda bottles from the dollar store, and watch them explode. So stick with me, this ought to get pretty interesting. So there's the soda bottles, and they're a good little distance away, and we're going to try to shoot them. Okay, go.